So ISO 18 is not available or not show on your iPhone. If you go to your uh, update, then you can say ISO 17.5. So ISO 18 not available. To enable it, you have to go your Safari browser and type developer Apple. You have to go your Apple developer website. This one, you have to press on this link and go to left top corner, press on account, and now log into your current Apple ID. Then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on yes and press on submit, and once done, then you can see this kind of interface. That means your work is done now. Now next step is you have to turn on and turn off your iPhone. That's mean restart your iPhone. So I am now restarting my iPhone. And once done, then go to your general software update. Then you can see beta update is available now. Press on here, then you can see ISO 18 and ISO 17. So I am selecting the ISO 18. Then go back, unable to download. It's need at least 14.1 GB free space. So I don't have enough space. It's the message 14.41 GB. So let's free up some memory, and once done, then you can see update now available. And once you press on update now, then enter your passcode, and within 1 or 2 minutes your update will be start. So this is it. So this is how you can easily update your ISO 18 beta. Hope video helpful. Thumbs up and do subscribe our topical talks. Have a good day.